So now let's do conversion of our audio. Now, as I've shown you how to download the app, I know you must have downloaded the app. This is the icon that you need. Sorry, this is the icon. This MP3. Tap on it and let it open. This is the old files that I've converted. Now let me delete them so that I will make a fresh one. I have deleted them. Now the next thing you need to do, you tap here, audio. In this audio, it will open all your audio files. I want to look for a very big sizable one so that after converting it, we will see the differences. It seems I will use, okay, let's use this praise and hymn. This praise and hymn, 25 megabytes, 25.1 megabytes. Let's use it. Now, it have showed the name. What name do I want to use? If I want, I can change the name here. If the file format, which format do you want? You see, we have different type of formats: AAC, AMR, web, FLAC, M4A, MP3, OGG, OPUS, WAV, window media, audio. Now, all these are the file formats. Depending on the file you want to use, let's format with MP3 because this is the most popular that can play on any mobile phone or any music gadget. Now, I have chosen that. The select directory. Where do you want this song to go after formatting? I want it to store on SD card so that it will be on my card. Now, allow access. Yes. As I've chosen the SD for it to save there. Now, I don't want the original file. I want to customize my size of the file so that it will be good and this thing will be little. The file size will be little. Now you can see bitrate. Bitrate, that is the channel. I want to reduce it. I don't want to use that 2.5 something. I want to use 85 kilobytes per second. Most times I use 65, but let me use 85 to see the quality of the sound. You can still use 130, you can still use whichever. But the higher the bitrate, the bigger the file size will be. So I will use 85. Now the sample rate. What the sample rate will do for you. Let me reduce the sample rate because I don't want to use this maximum. Let me use 16,000 hertz. Yes, the channel. Let me leave the channel on mono. You can still change to stereo, but let me use it on mono. Now let's do the conversion. You wait a bit. You see, it has started the conversion immediately. I hope you remember the file size. So after the conversion, we will check the file size. And later on, we can still go and locate the file and play each of them separately to see. But MP3 is generally played on any music gadget. So you see the file size now. File size 6.3. That's the file size it's produced at the end of the conversion. Now let's play it. Test it. You can see. You can see the sound is still quality. The sound is still quality.